In a world where cutting-edge technology pushes the boundaries of aviation, there's one machine rewriting the rulebook on what an aerial support aircraft can be. Today, we're getting up close with something that's not a car, not your average drone, and not a fighter jet, but a highly advanced, fully autonomous aerial refueler built for tomorrow's skies. This is the Boeing MQ-25 Stingray, and it's every bit as cool as it sounds. Before we get into the numbers, specs, and why this matters, just look at it. The design is futuristic yet functional, a perfect blend of stealthy elegance and practical engineering. The MQ-25 was built with one primary mission in mind: to extend the range of carrier-based aircraft without risking a human crew. But Boeing didn't just make a flying gas station, they made a piece of airborne technology art. From the outside, it's clear the MQ-25 draws inspiration from stealth aircraft aesthetics. Smooth, unbroken surfaces and carefully crafted curves reduce radar's signature while maximizing aerodynamic efficiency. Its wide, gull-like wingspan stretches out over 75 feet, giving it a commanding presence whether it's parked on a carrier deck or slicing through open skies. Notice the absence of visible cockpit glass, because this bird flies without a pilot on board. A subtle air intake sits above the fuselage, feeding the single Rolls-Royce A3007N turbofan engine tucked inside, capable of producing over 10,000 pounds of thrust. As we move in closer, every line and panel serves a purpose. Its modular construction allows for ease of maintenance and upgrades, a crucial feature for military operations where adaptability is survival. The wingtip pods and underbelly mounting points are where the MQ-25 carries its fuel pods for aerial refueling, and trust me, it can carry a lot. Now, since there's no traditional cockpit, what would be considered the interior here is really its digital brain. The MQ-25 is operated remotely from a ground control station or even an aircraft carrier-based control center. Inside those command hubs, operators are greeted by an advanced avionics suite featuring multi-screen interfaces, real-time telemetry, and AI-assisted navigation systems. Boeing designed the Stingray to autonomously handle takeoffs, landings, and refueling rendezvous with manned fighters like the F/A-18 Super Hornet, F-35C, and the E-2D Hawkeye. It's a masterclass in unmanned flight control and autonomy. Performance-wise, this is where the MQ-25 earns its wings. With a maximum takeoff weight of around 50,000 pounds and a top speed approaching 600 miles per hour, it's no slouch for a tanker. But the real magic is in its operational range, over 500 nautical miles while carrying 15,000 pounds of fuel for transfer. That essentially doubles the combat radius of carrier-based strike fighters, giving naval commanders more flexibility and reach than ever before. Testing has already proven the MQ-25's ability to seamlessly refuel manned aircraft in midair, using its drogue and probe system. Precision is everything at those altitudes and speeds, and this unmanned tanker nails it time and again. Advanced sensors, including an electro-optical infrared turret and multiple redundant communication links, ensure it stays connected, situationally aware, and reliable even in contested airspace. When it comes to pricing, well, this isn't something you'll be picking up at your local dealership. Each MQ-25 unit costs in the ballpark of $200 million, depending on configuration and support packages. It's a serious investment for the U.S. Navy, but one that fundamentally shifts carrier air wing strategy moving forward. By removing human risk from the refueling mission, the MQ-25 allows strike aircraft to operate further, faster, and with greater mission endurance. As the sun sets behind this metallic marvel, it's impossible not to be impressed by what Boeing has achieved here. The MQ-25 Stingray represents more than just a new aircraft, it's a signal of where modern military aviation is headed. Fully autonomous, mission-critical support platforms are no longer science fiction, they're on the decks of Navy carriers today. So whether you're an aviation geek, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves seeing the future arrive one sleek machine at a time, the MQ-25 Stingray deserves a spot on your radar. It might not be something you can drive, but it's absolutely something worth watching as it reshapes the skies above us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of aerial tech, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews of extraordinary machines, and let me know in the comments what futuristic vehicle you want to see next. Until then, stay curious, stay bold, and I'll see you in the next video.